What's up guys, it's Ashish from MyBuddies23 and today we have another unboxing of the iPhone XS Max. This is in the gold color with 64 gigabytes of storage. Without further ado, let's jump right in. I just got this phone yesterday from T-Mobile. It was $1,099 plus tax, so approximately $1,200. I ordered the phone last week and it arrived in the mail yesterday, but I was busy with school, so I didn't get a chance to open it. So inside it comes with a little padding. We can just take that out. And here's the iPhone XS Max in the gold color. Apple made a few new improvements to this year's iPhone, including the all-new A12 Bionic chip and a bigger camera sensor. And since this is the XS Max, it has a bigger 6.5-inch screen than last year's 5.8-inch screen. Let's jump right in the box. So we open the box. Inside there's the design by Apple with the books and the sticker. Let's put that to the side. And here is the XS Max gold color. Let's set this off to the side. Inside we have the wall to USB-A charging type. And then we have the Apple earbuds that connect directly to the charging port on the phone. And this year they decided not to put a dongle, so with the $1,100 phone that you're getting, you don't get a dongle. So you have to either use these headphones or go wireless. Inside there's also the lightning cable, the USB-A to lightning cable. And let's put all of this away and get right to the phone. So this is the iPhone XS Max in the gold color. It's a relatively large phone, but I'm into large phones, so people that have big hands and can reach from side to side, this is a great option for you guys. It has the same notch at the top, which Apple cleverly tried to hide in its pictures with the planet on the side. Now I have this Jet Tech tempered glass screen protector, which I'll apply to the phone, and I'll be right back. I've just applied the screen protector to the phone, and I've got to say this gold color looks really shiny and brighter than last year's iPhone 8. It's similar to the iPhone 10. On the right side you've got that power button, which can also be used to enable Siri. You've got that SIM card tray, which Apple claims is dual SIM. On the bottom we've got the lightning port and the two speaker grills. On the left side they've got an antenna band which sort of cuts into the speaker. It wasn't there on last year's iPhone 10. On the left side we still have the mute button and the volume up, volume down. So it's similar, it has a similar layout to last year's iPhone 10. On the back you've still got the two camera sensors, which are slightly larger than last year's iPhone 10. Either way, you might want to pick up a skin or a case because this phone will attract multiple fingerprints. Let's turn the phone on. So I'll set up the phone and I'll be right back. I've just finished setting up the phone, and I have to say Apple's method of setting up the phone is relatively easy if you have another iOS 11 device. And since it's the gold color, it's got this gold background, which of course you can change, but I like it, so I'm going to keep it. So I've been playing around with it for a little while, and it's gotten a lot easier. iOS 12 with the iPhone XS Max. In iOS 10, you'd have to, like, suppose if you'd go into a few apps, right? If you try to delete these apps, you'd have to hold it and then delete it. Now you can just swipe up. This is a lot easier, and control center, it's the same as iPhone 10 commands and notifications. There's still that option if you swipe right, you can access your apps. You can scroll through your apps. This is really useful for multitasking. Now, for this price, this phone is obviously a little too expensive, but it's got that premium feel. If there are any Apple fans out there, this phone is great for that. So this year, they have the 512GB iPhone XS and XS Max. This is the 64GB version. This phone is also IP68, water and dust resistant. It's got a bigger battery, bigger camera sensors, the A12 Bionic chip. It's also got 4GB of RAM, a little more than last year's iPhone X. And they've also got better portrait lighting effects. This is similar to like the bokeh effect on many cameras. And it's similar to the Note 9's live focus, where it blurs the background. To give a little perspective on the iPhone XS Max's portrait lighting effect, I've got this B, which I'm going to use to take a picture. Now that I've taken the picture, I can change the blurriness of the background. So it's really sharp, the background in this case. So it looks a little more 2D. As you can see that power outlet as a reference. But if I increase the blurriness in the background, the B now comes into picture, and that just looks great. That's basically it for this video. If you liked the video, leave a like down below, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.